Right now, 880 light-years away, there's a planet where rubies and sapphires are literally raining from metal clouds at 11,000 miles per hour. And that's not even the craziest planet we've found. Today, we're diving into 6 real planets that make science fiction look boring. Glass rain flying sideways at 7 times the speed of sound, a planet made of diamond, and one that's literally melting and leaving a tail 9 million kilometers long. These aren't from movies, they're real, and scientists are studying them right now. Let's start with TOI 6713.01. Imagine Jupiter's volcanic moon Io, but on steroids. This planet, just 66 light-years away, is caught in a cosmic tug-of-war. Its neighboring planets and its star are literally pulling it apart from different directions. And here's where it gets insane. This gravitational war heats the planet so intensely that its entire surface is covered in molten lava oceans. We're not talking about a few volcanoes. The entire planet is one massive lava ball. Its surface temperature, hotter than some stars. Scientists call this extreme tidal heating, and it's so powerful that this planet glows like a coal in space. To put it in perspective, if you could somehow stand on this planet, you'd be instantly vaporized. Not burned, vaporized, before you even hit the ground. Now look at this beautiful blue planet. Looks peaceful, right? Like Earth from space? Wrong. This is HD 189733b, and it's the most hostile planet we've ever discovered. That blue color, it's not from oceans, it's from molten glass particles suspended in the atmosphere. Here's what makes this place absolutely insane. Winds here blow at 5,400 miles per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. For comparison, the fastest winds on Earth barely hit 250 miles per hour. But wait, it gets worse. Those molten glass particles, they're not falling down like normal rain. The winds are so violent that the glass flies sideways at supersonic speeds. Imagine being sandblasted by microscopic glass shards traveling at Mach 7. You'd be torn apart at the molecular level in milliseconds. Oh, and James Webb Space Telescope just detected something else. Hydrogen sulfide in its atmosphere. That's the smell of rotten eggs. So not only would this planet shred you instantly, it would smell terrible while doing it. Okay, remember that ruby and sapphire rain I mentioned? Let's talk about WASP 121b, the most extreme weather system in the known universe. This planet is 880 light-years away, and its day side reaches 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to vaporize iron. The night side, still a toasty 2,700 degrees. But here's where nature becomes absolutely insane. WASP 121b has metal clouds, not water clouds, clouds made of iron, magnesium, chromium, and vanadium floating in the atmosphere. And the weather cycle is like something from a fever dream. On the day side, metals evaporate into gas. Winds, traveling at 11,000 miles per hour, carry these metal vapors to the night side. As they cool, aluminum and titanium condense into liquid rubies and sapphires and rain down. Then those liquid gemstones evaporate again, get carried back to the day side, and the whole cycle repeats. It's an endless storm of liquid jewels raining at hypersonic speeds. James Webb Space Telescope confirmed something even crazier. The heat is so intense that water molecules are being ripped apart into hydrogen and oxygen on the day side, then reassembling on the night side. This planet is literally breaking and rebuilding matter in real time. What if I told you there's a planet that could be worth more than all the money that has ever existed on Earth. Meet 55 Cancri E, also called Janssen. It's only 40 light-years away, basically our cosmic neighbor. And scientists believe up to 1/3 of this planet could be made of pure carbon. Not coal, not graphite, diamond. We're talking about a planet-sized diamond potentially worth $26 trillion. That's 26 with 30 zeros after it. But before you start planning a heist, let me tell you why that's impossible. The surface is a molten lava ocean at 4,900 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet orbits so close to its star that 1 year here lasts just 18 hours. The James Webb Space Telescope just discovered something new. This planet has an atmosphere that's constantly being regenerated by volcanic activity. The surface is so active that lava is continuously erupting, vaporizing, and creating new atmosphere. So yeah, it's possibly a diamond planet, but it's a diamond covered in an ocean of liquid rock, spinning around its star so fast that sunrise happens every 9 hours, and the atmosphere smells like volcanic sulfur. Not exactly mining-friendly conditions. Remember Tatooine from Star Wars? 2 suns in the sky. Well, we found planets like that. But this one, 2M1510A-BB, breaks all the rules. Normal planets orbit around a binary star system's equator. They circle both stars in the same plane. But this planet said, nah, I'm gonna do my own thing. It orbits around the poles of the 2 stars. Imagine looking up and seeing 2 suns moving in a completely different direction than you'd expect. The stars would trace vertical circles in your sky instead of rising and setting horizontally. This type of orbit is so rare that astronomers were shocked when they found it in 2025. The physics of how this planet formed and didn't get ejected from the system is still being studied. It basically did the gravitational equivalent of landing a triple backflip. The gravity calculations here are insane. This planet experiences forces from 2 stars pulling in ways that should have ripped it apart or flung it into deep space billions of years ago. But somehow, it found the perfect balance. The cosmic equivalent of threading a needle while riding a motorcycle. And now for the grand finale, a planet that's literally dying in front of our eyes. This is BD plus 0548688AB, and it's the cosmic equivalent of a comet. Except it's not a comet, it's a planet, and it's evaporating. It orbits so close to its star that 1 year lasts just 30 hours. The stellar radiation is so intense that the planet's surface is boiling away into space. And here's the absolutely insane part. As it evaporates, it's creating a tail made of vaporized rock and metal that stretches 9 million kilometers behind it. That's the distance from Earth to the Sun and back 3 times. This tail is so massive that we could potentially see it with our own eyes if we were close enough, a glowing stream of a planet's guts being ripped away by its star. Scientists estimate this planet is losing mass so fast that it might completely evaporate in just a few 100 million years. We're watching planetary death in slow motion, a world being consumed by its own sun, leaving a cosmic tombstone of vaporized rock streaming through space. It's beautiful, terrifying, and a reminder that in space, even planets aren't forever. So there you have it, 6 real planets that are stranger than anything science fiction ever imagined. A world of endless lava, hotter than stars. A blue planet that will shred you with supersonic glass. A planet where rubies and sapphires rain from metal clouds. A diamond worth more money than exists. A world that defies gravity with 2 suns. And a planet evaporating into a 9 million-kilometer tale. These aren't from movies. They're not from books. They're real worlds that exist right now, floating in the cosmos, waiting for us to explore them. Which planet shocked you the most? Comment below. And if you want more mind-blowing space content, smash that subscribe button, because the universe is full of insane discoveries we'll be covering.